Class 3. Class 3. I am giving extra question answer today on Rumpelstiltskin. On chapter 14, Rumpelstiltskin. These are the extra question answers. हेडिंग तो लिख लिया है आप लोगों ने, एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑन रम्पेल्स्टिल्टस्किन. अब ये क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखना चालू करो फास्ट. Time is less. You try to write fast. The first question is, what sort of creature was Rumpelstiltskin? The answer is, Rumpelstiltskin was an imp or strange little man with magical powers who lived alone in the woods. Woods matlab jungle. He helped the miller's daughter who would someday have a baby that Rumpelstiltskin wanted. Write down, write down. I hope everyone is writing in their English literature copy these question answers of Rumpelstiltskin. Write down, write down. Question 1, what sort of creature was Rumpelstiltskin? कॉपी करो क्वेश्चन. और ये रेड में जो है वो आंसर है. द आंसर इज, जितना ब्लैक में है वो क्वेश्चंस है और जितना रेड में है वो आंसर्स है. ऑल द ब्लैक which I have written in blacks are the questions and whatever I have written in red are the answers. जो भी मैंने ब्लैक से लिखा है वो क्वेश्चंस है और जो भी रेड से लिखा हुआ है वो आंसर है. ओके. क्वेश्चन 1, what sort of creature was Rumpelstiltskin? Rumpelstiltskin was an imp or strange little man with magical powers who lived alone in the woods. He helped the miller's daughter who would someday have a baby that Rumpelstiltskin wanted. Done. This was question number 1 and answer. Now I am reading out for you question number 2 and its answer. Question number 2 is, where did the miller's family live? I repeat, question 2, where did the miller's family live? Answer hoga, the miller's family lived in a small village, also near the woods where Rumpelstiltskin lived. They were very poor peasants. However, the miller told the king how gifted his daughter was. Done. I hope question answer 1 and 2 all of you have written. Write fast. Total 10 question answer are there. You have to write. जल्दी जल्दी हाथ चलाओ. जिसने भी अभी ज्वाइन किया है हेडिंग लिख लो. Extra question answers of Rumpelstiltskin. Write the heading extra question answer of Rumpelstiltskin. और उसके बाद ये क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखना चालू करो. फास्ट फास्ट. Now I am reading out question answer 3. Question 3 is, the miller's daughter had to spin what into gold? The miller's daughter had to spin what into gold? The answer is, the miller's daughter had no idea how to make straw into gold, although her father boasted that she could. The king demanded that she turn the straw into gold and locked her up in a room full of straw and a spinning wheel. Okay, write down, write down. Now all of you are writing. Now I'm reading out question 4 for you. Question 4. What did the miller's daughter reward Rumpelstiltskin with on the first night of spinning of gold? And the answer is she rewarded Rumpelstiltskin with a necklace the first night and rewarded him a ring on the second night. They were the only things she had at hand. Write down, write down. स्पीड में हाथ चलाओ वरना नहीं होगा. There are total 10 question answers. Write down, write down. Now I'm reading out the question number 5 for you. Question number 5 is, what did the king promise the miller's daughter on the third night? The answer is, the king also promised he would beheaded. Answer is, the king also promised he would behead the miller's daughter if she didn't produce the gold the next morning. The king was quite greedy and ruthless. He thought he could continue to acquire lots of gold. Okay, अब मैं heading हटा रहा हूँ. I hope all of you must have written the heading. Now I'm moving ahead. Question number 6. I'm reading out for you. Question answer 6. Question 6. What did Rumpelstiltskin demand of the miller's daughter on the third night? Answer. The miller's daughter had nothing to give Rumpelstiltskin on the third night. So he Answer number 6. I'm reading for you. Answer number 6. The miller's daughter had nothing to give Rumpelstiltskin on the third night, so she agreed to the strange promise of her firstborn child, unaware of her future. Rumpelstiltskin only wanted her first child. Okay, write down fast, write down fast. Now I'm moving to question number 7. I hope all of you have finished question answer 1. I'm removing question answer 1 and moving to question 7. See, this is question answer 7. I'm reading the question 7 for you. After the miller's daughter became queen, how soon did she have a child? Answer. A year after the new queen brought a beautiful child into the world, and she forgot the promise. However, the next day, Rumpelstiltskin appeared into her room and demanded to keep her child. Write down fast. I hope all of you are writing. There is no time, write fast. Now, I hope all of you must have finished question 2 also. So I'm removing question 2 and I'm going to question number 8. Question 8. I'm reading out the question 8 for you. How many days does Rumpelstiltskin give the queen to guess his real name so she could keep her child? Answer is question number 8 was how many days does Rumpelstiltskin give the queen to guess his real name so she could keep her child. Answer number 8 is Rumpelstiltskin gives the queen 3 days to guess his real name. He did he did have some empathy. The queen in anguish tries to think of every name imaginable. Now I hope all of you must have finished question number 3 also. I'm removing question number 3. Now I'm going to question number 9. Question number 9 is how does the queen find out Rumpelstiltskin's name? The answer is the queen's messenger follows Rumpelstiltskin into the woods and sees him dancing around a fire, chanting aloud his name. Rumpelstiltskin likes to make rhymes and songs which have his name in it. Okay, this was the question number 9. Question answer number 9. Now only last question answer left. That is question 10. Write down everyone fast. Now I am reading out the last question answer, that is question 10. Question 10 is, in the end of the 1812 version, what happened to Rumpelstiltskin? In the end of the 112 version, what happened to Rumpelstiltskin? Answer is, in the 1812 version of Rumpelstiltskin, the angry imp runs away, never to return to the queen. In the 1857 version, Rumpelstiltskin tears himself into half and falls into a chasm in the ground and disappears. So this was all question answers I have given today, 1 to 10. Please write down. Please write down and learn it properly. It is going to help you. I hope all of you have written down. I hope all of you have written down. Write down, I have to end the class. ये देखो, this all 10 question answers I have given you. Today extra 1 to 10 question answers. This was question 1. What sort of creature was Rumpelstiltskin? Answer is given. Question 2. Where did the Miller's family live? Answer is given here. Question number 3. The miller's daughter had to spin what into gold? Question 4. What did the miller's daughter reward Rumpelstiltskin with on the first night of spinning of gold? Question 4. Now question 5. What did the king promise the miller's daughter on the third night? Question 6. What did the Rumpelstiltskin demand of the miller's daughter on the third night? 7. Question 7. After the miller's daughter became queen, how soon did she have a child? Question 8. How many days did Rumpelstiltskin give the queen to guess his real name so she could keep her child? Question 9. How does the queen find out Rumpelstiltskin's name? And question 10. And question 10. In the end of the 112 version, what happens to Rumpelstiltskin? Time is over. आई होप आप सभी ने लिख लिया होगा ये क्वेश्चन आंसर अपने कॉपी में। और जिसका भी हो गया है फोटो क्लिक करके पीडीएफ बनाओ और पीडीएफ बनाकर मुझे मेरे व्हाट्सएप में दो फॉर चेकिंग फास्ट। All of you must have written. Now I am ending my class here. अगर किसी का नहीं हो पाया है तो ये मैं तुम लोग के व्हाट्सएप पे पीडीएफ शीट भेज देता हूं, देख के कर लेना। ओके, नाउ आई एम एंडिंग माय क्लास हियर।